The AZDOME PG17 Max Dashcam offers remarkable image clarity with its front camera recording in 4K resolution and rear camera capturing in 2.5K resolution, ensuring every detail on the road is vividly captured. With advanced driver assistance system alerts, this dashcam significantly enhances driving safety by providing warnings for forward collisions, lane departures, and pedestrian collisions. The blind spot detection and lane change assistance features are designed to alert drivers of potential risks, thereby enhancing safety during lane changes and monitoring blind spots. Equipped with upgraded 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, this dashcam allows for seamless video downloads and sharing via the AZDOME app, offering users quick and convenient access to their footage. The voice control functionality allows drivers to interact with the dashcam using simple commands such as taking pictures or locking videos without taking their focus off the road. A comprehensive after-sales service is provided, including a 1-year guarantee and a pre-installed 64 GB card, ensuring customers have a reliable and convenient experience with their dashcam.